along with the amazing health benefits they have to offer. Herbs and spices also add flavor and aroma to our Indian dishes. Research has also shown that herbs and spices have the potential to boost metabolism, promote satiety, aid weight management, and improve the overall quality of a diet. So spruce up your daily cooking with a dash of spice and attain your desired weight loss. Dr. Shilpa Mittal, nutritionist, diet consultant, and founder of Nutrilife Health Management, Mumbai, shares a list of 15 best weight loss herbs and spices which are easily available and aid weight loss. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is one of the best weight loss herbs because it helps to stabilize blood sugar level, keeps you full for a longer time, decreases hunger pangs, and metabolizes fats at a faster rate. Ginger. Ginger is a spice made from the rhizome of the flowering ginger plant, Zingiber officinale, often used in folk medicine as a natural remedy for a wide variety of ailments. Some research indicates that ginger could aid weight loss as well. One review of 14 human studies showed that supplementing with ginger significantly decreased both body weight and belly fat. Another review of 27 human, animal, and test tube studies also concluded that ginger may help lower weight by increasing metabolism and fat burning while simultaneously decreasing fat absorption and appetite. Cardamom. This spice helps boost your metabolism and improve your body's ability to burn fat. Turmeric. This yellow-orange spice has several weight loss properties. It helps to reduce the formation of fat tissues, thus lowering total body fat and preventing weight gain. Acai Berry. Studies show that the juice from the acai berry or the dried powder of acai berry can improve the ability to lose weight effectively. They help to prevent fat buildup in the body and have enormous energizing antioxidant properties. Nettle leaf. This leaf is highly nutritive and is loaded with antioxidant vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin A that aid in purifying blood and burn fat. Guarana. Guarana has diuretic properties. It helps in losing weight. It also aids in stimulating the nervous system and thus helps you to avoid emotional eating due to stress or tension. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a type of chili pepper, popularly used to bring a spicy dose of flavor to many dishes. It contains the compound capsaicin, which gives cayenne pepper its signature heat and provides numerous health benefits. Some research shows that capsaicin can slightly boost metabolism, increasing the number of calories you burn throughout the day. Capsaicin may also reduce hunger to promote weight loss. One small study found that taking capsaicin capsules increased levels of fullness and decreased total calorie intake. Another study in 30 people showed that eating a meal containing capsaicin reduced levels of ghrelin, the hormone responsible for stimulating hunger. Cumin. Cumin helps to improve your digestive process and production of energy. Cumin seeds also help to boost your immune system. Ginseng. Ginseng is a plant with health-promoting properties that is often considered a staple in traditional Chinese medicine. It can be categorized into several different types, including Korean, Chinese, and American, all of which belong to the same genus of ginseng plants. Many studies have suggested that this powerful plant could aid weight loss. One small study found that taking Korean ginseng twice daily for 8 weeks resulted in quantifiable reductions in body weight, as well as changes in gut microbiota composition. Similarly, an animal study showed that ginseng combated obesity by altering fat formation and delaying intestinal fat absorption. However, more high-quality, large-scale studies are needed to examine ginseng's impact on weight loss in humans. Black pepper. This commonly used spice is filled with a compound called piperine. This compound helps in boosting your metabolism. Black pepper also helps in improving your digestive system and helps to burn fat at a faster rate. Dandelions. This flower head helps to cleanse your body and helps to slow down your digestion. Dandelions help to make you feel full for a longer period and have very good nutritional content as well. So start eating this flower to fit into your old jeans. Flax seeds. Flax seeds act as a bulking agent and give you a feeling of fullness. Thus, they prevent you from overeating and help you to lose weight. Guar Gum. Guar Gum helps in managing diabetes and aids in weight loss. It helps to improve the digestion process and gives you a feeling of fullness. Garcinia. This fruit promotes appetite suppression and prevents the production and storing of fat. Choose whole food rather than other variants.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.